For decades, California stood as the undisputed beacon of the American dream. The Golden State, synonymous with innovation, glamour, and endless sunshine, attracted millions seeking fortune and fame. But something fundamental has shifted. Today, a different story is unfolding, one where the tides of migration are flowing not into, but out of California, often towards a surprising new promised land, Texas. This isn't just a trickle, it's a significant demographic and economic realignment, reshaping the American landscape. Why are so many packing up their lives in the land of Hollywood and Silicon Valley to stake their claim in the Lone Star State? The answers lie in a complex interplay of economics, lifestyle, and policy choices that have made California increasingly untenable for many, while Texas offers a compelling alternative. From soaring housing costs and burdensome taxes to regulatory hurdles that stifle innovation, California's challenges have created an unprecedented exodus. Meanwhile, Texas, with its booming economy, lower cost of living, and a pro-business environment, has emerged as the magnet attracting families, entrepreneurs, and major corporations alike. This documentary delves deep into the reasons behind this monumental shift, exploring the diverging paths of two of America's most influential states. The economic contrast between California and Texas is stark, and it's perhaps the primary driver of this migration. California boasts the fifth largest economy in the world, a testament to its innovative spirit. However, that innovation comes with a hefty price tag. The state's aggressive tax policies, including the highest state income tax rate in the nation at 13.3%, combined with high corporate taxes and intricate regulatory frameworks, have made it an increasingly difficult place to do business. Companies, from tech giants to small manufacturers, often cite these factors when choosing to relocate or expand elsewhere. Enter Texas. The Lone Star State offers a diametrically opposed economic philosophy. It proudly levies no state income tax, a massive saving for both individuals and businesses. Its corporate tax structure is significantly more favorable, and its regulatory environment is designed to attract rather than deter investment and growth. This isn't just theoretical. Major corporations like Hewlett-Packard Enterprise, Tesla, and Oracle have famously moved their headquarters or significantly expanded operations in Texas, bringing thousands of jobs with them. This pro-business stance, coupled with a vast and diverse workforce, infrastructure investments, and access to international markets, creates a powerful gravitational pull for capital and talent seeking opportunity without excessive fiscal burdens. Beyond the boardrooms and tax codes, the daily reality for millions hinges on the cost of living, and here, Texas presents an undeniable advantage. California's housing market has reached astronomical levels, making home ownership an unattainable dream for a vast segment of its population. Median home prices in many California cities are several times the national average, forcing families to choose between exorbitant rents and moving hours away from their workplaces, enduring soul-crushing commutes. Even basic necessities like gasoline, groceries, and utilities often carry a premium in the Golden State. In contrast, Texas offers a refreshing dose of affordability. While its major cities are growing and seeing prices rise, housing remains significantly more accessible. A sprawling suburban home in Dallas or Houston often costs a fraction of a modest condo in Los Angeles or San Francisco. This affordability extends to everyday expenses, translating into a higher disposable income and a better quality of life for many. The promise of space, both personal and professional, is another draw. Less dense traffic, shorter commute times for similar distances, and access to more expansive properties contribute to a sense of freedom and possibility. For families, this means better schools, safer neighborhoods, and the ability to grow without the constant financial pressure cooker. It's about more than just money. It's about reclaiming a sense of stability and pursuing a comfortable life that California increasingly struggles to provide. This mass migration isn't without its challenges or its cultural implications. Texas's rapid growth strains infrastructure, from roads to water resources, demanding significant investment and careful urban planning. California, meanwhile, faces the tough task of reevaluating its policies to retain talent and prevent further economic decline. Yet, the current trajectory points to Texas continuing its ascent. The state's proactive approach to attracting industry, investing in education, and expanding its energy sector positions it for sustained growth. While California grapples with persistent issues like homelessness, wildfires, and an aging infrastructure, Texas is building, innovating, and expanding at an astonishing rate. The cultural landscape is also evolving. New Texans bring diverse perspectives, enriching the state's already rich tapestry. This demographic shift has profound political consequences, subtly changing the electoral map and influencing national discourse. Ultimately, the story of why Texas is growing faster than California is a narrative about choices. It's about a state that has embraced a philosophy of low taxes, light regulation, and individual freedom, fostering an environment where both businesses and families feel empowered to thrive. California, for all its undeniable allure and natural beauty, must confront whether its current path serves the long-term interests of its residents and its economy, or if it risks becoming a beautiful but increasingly exclusive golden cage. The American dream, it seems, has found a new zip code.
Subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon for more amazing videos.